All right, let's talk about something super important, staying safe online. Get this. Every 29 seconds, there's another cyber attack. Crazy, right?
And guess who they're targeting most? Yep, students, just like you.
So you gotta ask yourself, is your account next on their list? You might actually be inviting hackers in without even realizing it. We all do it, right? Using public Wi-Fi, reusing passwords, but it's risky stuff.
And look, just one tiny slip-up can get your private data leaked everywhere.
But don't panic. There's one simple rule that can save you. It's the 2FA rule. That stands for two-factor authentication. So what is it exactly? It's super simple. You enter your password, then a unique code from your phone. The difference is night and day. A password alone, not safe. Add 2FA, you're secure. So even if a hacker steals your password, they're still locked out. Simple as that.
So go turn this on now for your social media, bank, and email accounts.
See, this isn't just about being educated, it's about being digitally smart.
Now, what about your friends? Share this explainer so they can stay safe too.